Hello, Frankly. As some of you may or may not know, I'm currently in a master's program to become a middle school science teacher. I'm going to be teaching the wee ones how to think good. I get really excited about science, and people don't always understand why. And I'm convinced that they don't understand because we're not talking about the same science. Science, as a lot of people see it, is just a collection of facts and information that we come to because nerds in lab coats poured some colorful potions into beakers and vials. Nerds in lab coats, I salute you. Now, science does give us facts and information, and those facts and information are really exciting. But that's not science to me.
So what's the science that you get so excited about?
Thank you for asking. It's almost as though you knew I wanted to make a list. Science is discovery. By the very nature of it, you have to go out into the world and pick up stuff and look at it and find out how it fits together. And sure, scientists spend a lot of time in front of computers and in labs, but that's just so that we can look at the world with more information. The inherent nature of science calls for us to go into the world and interact with it. Science is interactive. In order to do it well, you need a lot of people doing it together. It means when we leave our homes to pick up and look at stuff, we want other people picking up and looking at the same stuff. Hey, did you see this stuff? Did you see how it fits together? Want to compare notes? Science is a method. Now I know, method can be a boring or even a scary word, but it's really not. If science is a game, method is just the rules to that game. It's how scientists play together. Method ensures that when I pick up my stuff and you pick up your stuff, that we're picking up the same stuff and then we're comparing it by the same rules. It helps us stay consistent with the game that we're playing. Science is learning. Learning is another one of those words that people misunderstand. When a lot of people think of learning, they think of whiteboards and desks and classrooms. And a lot of really cool learning happens in desks and classrooms, but it's not confined there. Learning is just making sense of the world. Studying history, which, in my opinion, is a form of science, is a way for us to avoid making the same mistakes and to avoid making new ones. Psychology and sociology are just ways for us to make sense of how best we play together. Biology, chemistry, and physics is making sense of the world and how we play with it. And lastly, science is unifying. It tries to bring us together. And I do want to emphasize the word try. Science is done by people, so that means there will be errors, and there will be politics, and there will be uncertainty. But uncertainty is okay. To me, science doesn't only represent what we can understand about the world, it represents this common endeavor. It doesn't matter what color or nationality or religion we are. We live in this one world with everyone else. People of different colors and religions and nationalities. Science represents all of our, common work to be in this one world together. And that's why I'm so excited about it. Frankly, I'll see you next week.
Science is real.